guys, what I have so many cubes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I have 9 cubes, and from these cubes, we should be able to make, oh wow, look, we can make a horse and a sheep. Let's go! But let's remember, let's make a horse, and for the horse, we should look for the brown color and the green color, the background. Now we should look for the brown and green color in those 8 cubes. Let's search this one. Oh, look, brown and green. Let's put it here for now. Let's try this one. Where is it? Oh, look, brown and green. That's what we need. Let's put it there. Let's try this one. Can you see it? I need your help. Look, there it is. Brown and green. Look, it looks like a tail. I think it's a tail. Let's try this one. Maybe this one? No. Yes! It's this one. Look, it's brown and green. You were right. Let's put it there. Let's try this one. Oh, look, green. Yes. Let's put it there for now. Can you see it, guys? Because I can't. Oh, look! Oh, it's 2 legs. Brown and green. Let's put it there. Let's have a look at this cube. Have you seen it? It's a face. Half of the face. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears, and some hair. That's what we need. Perfect. 2 left. 2 cubes are left. Let's see what we have in this cube. We're searching for brown and green. Look! Green and a little bit of black. I think it will go with the hair, because the hair is the black color. And the last cube. Let's have a look. Maybe this one? No. Oh, look! Green and brown. Looks like another half of the leg. Perfect. We have found all the 8 cubes the right color. Now, let's make it into the horse. Now, let's try to make it into the horse. Let's create the first row. The first row has 3 cubes. And I think the first cube, let's start with the face. I think this will be the first cube. Where would be the second one? What do you think? I think it's this one maybe, or this one. Let's try this one. Oh, no, it doesn't fit. Let's try the face, the other half of the face. No, doesn't fit. I think it should be this one. Let's try. Ta-da! Yay! Look how it perfectly fits there. And we need to find the last cube of the first row. Maybe this one? No. Maybe this one then. No, it doesn't fit perfectly. Can you see it? Maybe it's this one? Let's have a look. Yay! Well done! Perfect! You did amazing. Look, we have created the first row. Now, let's try and find the second row. We need 3 cubes. I think the first cube of the second row will be this. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Maybe it's this one. No, maybe like this. No. Let's then try this one. It looks like it's half of the face. Let's try. Maybe like this. No. Maybe like this. Yay! Well done. Now we need to find the second cube. Maybe it's this one. No, I don't think so. Maybe it'll go like this. No. Then maybe we should try this one. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Okay, let's think. There should be the body. Maybe it will be this one. Yes, look how perfect it fits. Well done, we nearly completed the second row. Let's find the last piece of the second row. Maybe it's this one. No, it doesn't fit. Maybe then this one. No, it doesn't fit. Look, I think at the end there should be the tail. Let's have a look. Yes! Well done, guys. Look, we're halfway there. We need to complete the last row, the third row. What would be the first cube? What do you think? I think maybe it's this one. No, doesn't look like it belongs here. Then let's try this one. Like this. No. Then maybe like this. Yes, look, one leg is completed. Well done. 2 more left. Now we need to decide. We have only 2 cubes left. Which one will go first? Let's try this one. No, doesn't fit. Maybe like this then. Oh no. Let's try this one. Oh, yes, look, another 2 legs. And the last cube definitely will go there because it's the last one. Yes, look, we have a horse. Yay, the horse is the brown color with 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 1 tail. Well done, guys. We did it. We did it. Yay! Now, let's try to make a sheep. And for the sheep, we need to look for white and pink. And a little bit of green. Looks like he's chewing on some grass. Funny. Now, let's try to find some pink cubes from these 8 cubes. Remember, we need to look for white and pink and some little bit of green color as well. Let's try this one. Oh, look, it's pink, but I don't think it will be the right color. Look, oh, we found a pink and a little bit of green. I think it's definitely should be the grass. Let's put it there for now. Let's see this one. Have you seen it, guys? Because I can't find it. Oh, look, a little bit of white and pink. Yes, that's what we need. Perfect. Let's look here. It's pink, but it's not what we need. Look, it's white and pink, and that's what we need. Let's put it there for now. Let's try this one. Green, yellow, blue. Look, I see some leg, little bit of a leg. Now let's have a look at this one. Does it go? No, it's a different color. We need... Oh, look, it's 2 eyes. It's definitely the shape. Let's put it there for now. Let's see this one. Where is the pink? No, it's yellow, but there is the pink, but that's not what we need. Oh, look, it's another part of the leg. Yes, let's put it there. Let's have a look at this one. No, definitely not this one. Look, a lot of white. That's what we need. Let's put it there. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, look, another white and pink. Yes. And the last one. Can you help me to make it quicker? Thank you, guys. Look, we found it. Pink and white. Perfect. We have found all 8 cubes. And now we need to make a sheep. Let's go. Let's try to make this into a sheep. And we need to look for the first row is made of 3 cubes. Let's look for the 3 cubes. And the first one, I think, or not, maybe the second one first. Let's try to make it from there. I think that will be in the middle. Because remember, the sheep was like all the white stuff at the top. Now we need to find 2 more cubes. Maybe this one? No, definitely not this one. Maybe this one? No, it's definitely not this one. Maybe this one? Yes. No, it doesn't fit there. It looks like it fit, but it doesn't fit there. Maybe then this one. Look! Yes, we found the second cube. Now we need to find the last one of the first row. And I think it will be this one. No. Maybe it's this one then. No. Maybe this one then. Yes! Well done! We completed the first row. Now let's look for the second row. And let's look for the first cube. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. Maybe like this. No. Maybe it's this one. Look, it fits perfectly. Looks like it's an ear. What do you think? Okay, we will see. Let's find the second one now. Maybe it's this one then. No. Then maybe it's this one. No. Oh, I know, look. Definitely it should be the face with 2 eyes. Let's have a look, guys. Yes, well done, amazing. Now let's find the last one. Maybe this? No. Maybe then like this. No, it doesn't fit. Maybe it's this one. Let's have a look. No. But if we turn it like this. Yes! Look! We made another ear. Perfect. And we need to find the last row. The last 3 cubes. Look, we have the last 3 cubes. Maybe this one will go here? No, it doesn't fit. Maybe like this? No. And this one should be definitely the one. Let's have a look. Yes! Well done. Look, it fits perfectly here. Now we have 2 more left. And we have 2 cubes left. Which one will be first, guys? What do you think? This one or this one we should take? I think this one definitely will fit in the middle. What do you think? Yes? Okay, let's try. Oh no, it doesn't fit. I wasn't right. Then it should be definitely this one. Let's try. No. But if we turn it like this. Yes, look, the face is completed. And he was chewing on the grass, as I said. Look, we nearly finished the last cube. It should definitely be this one. Let's try. Let's put it and see if it fits. Yes! Look, we completed all the legs, the face and the body. Look, the sheep is white with brown ears and brown tail, and he's chewing on the grass because the grass is healthy for the sheep. That's what they eat. Yay, guys! Well done. Perfect. This would be impossible without you. Thank you so much. Look, guys, we have a box that has so many cubes inside. Look, it's level 3. It's going to be hard. Let's have a look what puzzles we can make. We can make a chicken, a pig. Let's start from making a chicken. Remember, the chicken is on a dark green font and the chicken is brown with yellow and red. Let's find those cubes. Look, we have opened the box and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cubes, and from these cubes we should make a chicken. Remember, the chicken had a dark green font. Let's look for dark green colors. Look, it's dark green. There is yellow, there is blue, and there is dark green. Let's put it there for now. Let's find another piece. Oh, look, another dark green color. Let's put it there. Let's find... Look, dark green. I see some chicken as well. Let's put it there. Let's find here a dark green. Yes, it's there. The dark green. Let's find here. Look, it's a chicken head. A half of it. Let's put it there. Oh, I see a leg. Look. Yes, well done. Now this one. No. Oh, look. Another dark green. Let's look here. Oh, another leg. Look. Well done. And the last one. Oh, it's there. Look, we found the same color and now we should be able to make a puzzle from it. Now let's make a chicken. Let's start from the head, from the top. Look, I see an eye. So it's gonna be the first cube. Let's put it there. Now, let's look what reminds you of her head? Maybe it's here. Look. Let's see. Yes, look. We found 2 pieces. Now, let's look for the 3rd piece. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. Yay! Look, we completed a row, but we need 2 more rows. 1 we have, we need 2. Maybe it's this one. Or that. No, don't think so. Maybe there's this one. No. Maybe this. Yes, look. Perfect. Well done. We need 2 more for this row. Let's look. Maybe this. Or like this. No. And maybe this one. With the leg. No. Maybe this. No. But if we turn it... yes! Look! We completed the body. Now let's look for the last piece in this row. It should be a tail, I think. See? It's the part of a tail. But we have 2 legs, so it's definitely not gonna be there. Because look. No. So I think this one looks like a tail. Like a part of a tail. Let's see. Yes! Look! Well done! We have only 3 pieces left and the last row. Let's start with this one. Maybe we'll go there. No. Or like this. No. The legs are upside down. Maybe then this one. No. We need legs. For sure. Maybe it's this one. Yay! Well done. 2 more and we completed the chicken. This one. No. We need a leg. Oh, look. That's the leg. Yes! Well done. And the last piece goes there. Well done, kids. We completed the chicken. Look. Now, let's make a pig. We need to look for the yellow background and a pink pig. Let's search. By chicken, we need to find a pig. The pig pink and the yellow background. Oh, look, I see the yellow color. The first one is done. Let's see for the next one. Look, an eye of a pig. Yes, and the yellow background. Now, let's see. There, look, it's another eye. Let's put it there. Let's find... Oh, look, a yellow background. Yes, and the half of the leg. I see some legs. Look. Now, let's look. Oh, another legs. Look. Let's put them there. Look, a tail of a pig. Let's put it there. Now, maybe this. Does it look pink to you? No, I think it's more red, maybe. Or no. Oh, look, yellow and pink for sure. That's the pig. Now. Oh, it's a ship. Look, 2 eyes. But we need a pig. Wait. Oh, look, pink. Yes, that's what we need. And the last one. Oh, another legs. Look, well done. Now we found
all the colors. Now, let's make a puzzle. Let's complete it. Let's start with the head. This is going to be, I think, the first cube because it has an eye and the ear and it looks like the part of the head. Now we need to find the second part of the head. Maybe it's there. This one? No, it's legs. We need an eye. Maybe this? No. Oh, look, I see some eyes. I think... Yes! Well done. Let's look for the third piece in this row. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Oh, maybe it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 logs now. Now let's make the second row. We need to complete the head. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Oh, I think it's this one. Look. Yes. Well done. Amazing job. Now let's find the second one. Maybe it's this one. No. It's the legs. Maybe this one. No. No. Oh, look! This one. Yay! We completed the head. Look, 2 eyes and a nose. Now, let's find the third one. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe the legs. No. Oh, I know. It's this one. No, but it should be this one. Oh, we had to turn it. Look. The tail is complete as well. Now, let's complete the third row and the legs. Let's take this one. No. No, the legs are upside down. What am I doing? Oh, I think it's going to be this one. Yay! Well done! We have 2 pieces left. I think this one will be first. No. It looks like it fits, but no. Look, it's missing pink there. There should be pink as well. Maybe then it's this one. Yes! Well done! And the last 2 legs are going to be there! Yay! The pig is complete!
Hi guys, look what I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes, and from these cubes we should be able to make different animals. Let's have a look what we can make. Look, wow! But today we're gonna make a duck and a cow. Remember, for the duck we need to look for the red font, for the green and blue colors, and for the cow we need to look for blue font and for the orange colors.
Remember, the red background and the green with the blue. Let's start with this piece. Look, the red background. Let's put it there. Oh, look, the red as well. Let's put it there. No, where is the red? Look. That's one. No. Let's see another. Oh, look, the red as well. Okay, well done. You're doing amazing. Now, let's look. Oh, an eye. Look. Yes, it's definitely should be a duck. Then Let's look for a red. Look, red, green, and blue, like I said. There we go. Now, look, another red, green, and blue. Watch out. Now, this one. Look, another red, green, and blue. And the last one. Look, red. Yay, we found all the red colors. Now, let's complete a duck. Let's start with the duck's head, because I think it definitely should be head because it has an eye. Let's find the second pair, where the head can continue. This one? No. Remember, it's level 3, it's going to be hard. Maybe it's this one? No. Oh, look, I see something. Yes! Well done. The head is nearly complete. Now we need to find the third piece in this row. And I think it will be this one. I told you it will be hard because look, it has some water dots. See? And this one, this piece, goes perfectly with this one. And we have 3 cubes in a row. Now, let's find the second row. There should be the body of the duck. Maybe it's going to be here. No. Maybe it's here. No. Maybe it's this one. Yes, because look, the dot, the water dot is completed now. See? Told you it's going to be hard. Now we need to find the second cube in the second row. And I think it will be this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Like this. No. Maybe it's this one. Yes. Look. We nearly completed the body. We need to find the last piece of the second row. I think it's this one. No. No. Maybe it's this one then. No. No. Oh, look. The orange nose goes together. Look, it's completed now. Yay, we found the body. Now we need to find the bottom, the last 3 pieces. I think this one will go here. No. Maybe like this? Yes! Look! But no, I don't think so. Doesn't look like, because we don't have the blue wing. No, it's not this one. Maybe it's this one then. Yes, look, the tail and the blue wing. Now let's find the second one of the third row. Maybe it's this one. No. That. No, because we don't have the blue wing here. We need the blue wing. Yes! Well done! Look! We nearly completed. The last one will go here. Look! Yay! We completed a duck! Well done! Now, let's make a cow. Look, the cow has a blue background and the cow is an orange color. Let's look for the blue background and for an orange color. Now, the blue background and the orange color. Look, blue and orange. Yay. Now, look, the blue and orange. Let's find here. Look, another blue background and an orange color. Now let's look. Wait, now let's look for this one. Oh, look, another one. Yes. Then we should look here. Oh, look, there we go. Now let's look this on this cube. Where would you think? Oh, look. Well done. Now in this cube. Look, there you go. The blue background. Let's find another piece. We will see. Look, the blue background. And the last cube. Look. Yes, we see some legs. Well done. We found the blue background and the orange cow. Now let's complete the puzzle. Again, let's start with the head. And I think this will be the first one. Yes. Now we need to find the second pair of the head. Maybe it's this one. No. No. Maybe then it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Yes! Look, we completed. And now let's find the last piece of the first row. Maybe it's this one. No. Oh, it's this one, look. Yes. Perfectly. Now let's make the second row. This one. No. Then maybe it's this one. No. Oh, it should be this one. Look. Yes. Fits perfectly. Now let's find the second piece. This one. No. No. Then maybe this one. No. Oh no, I need your help. Where is the second piece? Oh, it's this one. Yay! Well done. Now let's find the third one, the last one of this row. Maybe it will be this one. No. Maybe it's this one then. No. Oh, it definitely should be this one with the tail. Look. Yes. Fits perfectly. Now let's complete the last row. Maybe this one. No. Maybe this one. Yay! Look, the one leg is complete. Now we have two pieces left. Where they should go? Maybe here? No, doesn't look like. Maybe this one then. Oh, yes! And the last one. goes there. Well done. Look at this cow. On the blue background with an orange color, it has tail, 2 eyes, 2 ears. Yay! Well done. And you know what, guys? What cow gives you? It gives you milk. The cows are really friendly. Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.